Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a promo code in booking.com. So all you need to do is enter your destination or the place that you want to reserve a hostel in it, and then input the dates and the number of people, and then you can see the options. Now all you need to do is to check the availability of that hostel or that hotel, and then click on reserve. Now it will take you to this. You press on I will reserve. Now you can scroll down here and press on next final step. After you press on next final step, you will see now the payment methods and the payment page. So when you scroll down here, you can see enter your promo code. So you can enter your promo code and you press on apply. If the promo code is right, it will be applied to your booking, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.